If you've ever walked into a senior's home that feels effortlessly clean, there's a reason. These homes don't stay spotless by accident. They follow a few daily habits that keep everything light, simple, and easy to maintain. Habits anyone can learn, no matter their age. 1. Start with a 5-minute reset each morning. This small ritual anchors your day and prevents clutter from building up. It's gentle and calming, almost like clearing the fog off a window so you can see clearly again. 2. Keep only what you use weekly. Research shows that reducing visual clutter lowers stress levels. Seniors with tidy homes quietly practice this by letting go of items that no longer serve them. 3. Create microzones. 1 drawer for daily meds, 1 basket for mail, 1 shelf for cleaning supplies. This reduces decision fatigue and makes your home feel organized with very little effort. 4. Do the touch once habit. When mail arrives, sort it immediately. When laundry is dry, fold it right away. It saves energy later and keeps piles from forming. 5. Add a movement habit to light chores. Wiping counters becomes a moment to stretch your shoulders. Folding clothes becomes a chance to loosen your back. Small movements keep your home clean and your body active. 6. Keep a tiny night basket. Before bed, place anything out of place inside it. Then return those items in the morning. It's a quiet system that keeps surfaces clear. 7. Use scent as motivation. A gentle, clean smell, like citrus or lavender, can make your space feel fresher and encourage you to maintain it. This is why many seniors say a clean home feels like breathing easier. As Benjamin Franklin said, for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Implement just a few of these habits, and you may notice your home feeling calmer, brighter, and easier to manage day by day.